Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In this video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem that looks tricky, but when I solve this, it will become very easy and simple. Problem is t square minus 3 divided by t plus 2 whole cube plus 5 divided by t plus 2 whole square, and this equals 39. And question is that you have to find the value of t. So how we will start this question? Pause this video and try to solve by yourself. Then see how I will solve this easy and simple. So first of all, this is t plus 2. So this can be solved if we make a change here, as we can write 3 as minus 4 plus 1, because minus 4 plus 1 again becomes minus 3, and divided by t plus 2 whole cube, and this is plus 5 divided by t plus 2 whole square, and this equals 39. Now we can split this. So we get t square minus 4 divided by t plus 2 whole cube, and plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube, and plus 5 divided by t plus 2 whole square, and this equals 39. Now what will be the next step? T square minus 4 can be write as t square minus 2 square. So t square minus 2 square and divided by t plus 2 whole cube plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube, and plus 5 by t plus 2 whole square equal 39. Now what will be the next step? We can write this as t minus 2 into t plus 2, and this will be divided by t plus 2 whole cube, and this will be plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube, and plus 5 by t plus 2 whole square equals 39. Now we will cancel out t cube by this one, as t plus 2 is cancelled out by this. So what will be the remaining? We will solve this here. Remaining will be t minus 2 divided by t plus 2 whole cube, and plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube, and plus 5 by t plus 2 whole square. Now what will be the next step? We will solve this as we will join these two fractions, because it will be also square. We will combine these two and get as t minus 2 plus 5, and whole is divided by t plus 2 whole squared plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube equals 39. Now what will it become? It will become, we will write this here, that this will be t plus 3. This is t plus 3 and divided by t plus 2 whole squared, and plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube equals 39. Now what will happen to this? Again we will solve this as make 3 again by t plus 2 plus 1 divided by t plus 2 whole square, and plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube equals 39. Again it will become t plus 2 divided by t plus 2 whole square, and plus 1 by t plus 2 whole square, and plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube equals 39. Now what will happen to this? We will solve this as t plus 2 is cancelled out by t plus 2. So it will become 1 by t plus 2, then plus 1 by t plus 2 whole square, then plus 1 by t plus 2 whole cube. That equals 39. So it will become a very interesting that now we will make this supposition as let consider 1 by t plus 2 equals k. So its mean its square will be k square and its cube will be k cube. So we get k plus k squared plus k cube equals 39. So this will become this equation. Now what we will do next? We will arrange this as this will become k cube plus k square plus k minus 39 equals 0. Now make a supposition here again to solve this further. Write this here t value, that is 1 by we have to find the value of t, but we will consider that 1 by t plus 2 equals k. So we get this can be write as k cube, and this k square can be write as minus 3k square and plus 4k cube k square, and this will be minus 12k plus 13k and minus 39 equals 0. From this we can take k square as common, so remaining is k minus 3 plus 4 is common, so remaining is 4k is common. So remaining is k minus 3 plus 13 is common, remaining is k minus 3 equals 0. We get k square plus 4k plus 13, and this will be k minus 3 equals 0. So we get solve this as we get two factors, k minus 3 equals 0, which implies that k equals 3. So this is the first value that we get k equals 3. Now for the other one we will apply the quadratic formula. So we get k square plus 4k plus 13 equals 0. That means k equals minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 52 divided by 2. So k equals minus 4 plus minus root minus 6 divided by 2. So what will be its value? It will be in the form of complex. Iota is also involved in this. So this will becomes, we will write this here. We get this as k equals 3, this was the first one, and the other is k equals minus 4 plus minus 6 iota. So it will become plus minus 6 iota, because 16 minus 52 is 36. So minus 36 will become 6 iota and divided by 2. So other value of k will be minus 2 plus minus 3 iota. So this is the value of k. After finding the value of k, we can easily find out the value of the t. For this purpose, let us make here supposition that how to find the value of t. For this purpose, we will solve this as we get 1 by t plus 2 equals k means 3. So take its reciprocal, t plus 2 equals 1 by 3. You have to find the value of t. So 1 by 3 minus 2. Take its LCM. So 1 minus 6. That means we get minus 5 by 3. So this is the value of t. T will be minus 5 by 3. After this, we get other value as for the case 2. First was minus 5 by 3. Now minus 2 plus minus iota. K equals 1 by t plus 2 equals minus 2 plus minus 3 iota. Also take its reciprocal. So t plus 2 equals 1 by minus 2 plus minus 3 iota. And also its minus will be subtracted. So we get t equals 2 minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus minus 3 iota. So if we want to rationalize this, we will get another answer. So make its rationalization and then we get its value as t will equals, after rationalization of this, t will equal minus 28 minus 3 iota by 13. So this will be the final value. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned.